You know, a lot of times your tools, like this chisel, become dull from constant use, and you want to regain your edge. So how are you going to do that? Well, you could take a file, you know, and try to sharpen it up, but it takes forever, which is fine if you're sitting in Alcatraz and all you can think about is, well, how am I going to chip away at the block behind the sink so I can tunnel my way to the bay? Hey, I wasn't in there, man. I just saw the movie. Come on. A better way to sharpen up this chisel is using this bench grinder by Black & Decker. And this is an awesome tool. It's got a lot of features. Now you can see this tool rest here is angled. Why? Because I'm going to use that to sharpen this chisel. And if you look at the chisel, it does have an angle on it. So when I put it up against it, that's the proper way to sharpen the tool. Now we're almost ready to grind. Put your safety goggles on. When you kick it on, the two lights will come on. One other thing about this is there's two wheels on the grinder. You've got your coarse and you got your fine. I'm going to use the coarse to start off with and watch me work. Uh-oh, this is something you don't want to happen to you. Now you see what's happened to my chisel, the bluing right here, which means the metal got too hot. And you don't want that to happen to tempered steel because you're going to lose an edge. A better idea is when you're grinding is to dip it in this little water trough, cool down the steel, then go back to it like this. Now cool it down, go back to it, and cool it down again. See, this way the steel will not lose its temper. Like me, I never do.
Cut!
Will somebody please get me some water?
Here, Mr. Sir, are you okay, Mr. Cersillo?
Yes, thank you. Not only can the bench grinder make your tools sharp, they can make them look sharp too. If you notice, I've changed the wheels out on my grinder. Now I got a cleaning wheel and a buffing wheel. This is pretty cool. And the way I did it was with this accessory kit from Easy Power. Now, you can see that the hammer looks pretty nasty. You know, it's all gunked up and it's not shining no more. That's not for me. I want my tool to look good. So all I have to do is turn my grinder on and start cleaning it up. Look at that, huh? Shiny, beautiful. That grinder has made my hammer so close to brand new that, oh, man, even the price tag came back. I'll tell you, I really like this tool, and grinders in general come in various shapes and sizes. And the cost, well, this one plus the accessory kit, only $150 or less. And see, with grinders, there's no reason why every tool in your box shouldn't be shiny and new.